Swadee-krab, I'm Simon.
And I'm Musalin. Tonight we have a great show for you tonight.
Yes, in the first part Asian update, we're taking you to see the first energy saving and the green building located in Bangkok, what we call the Park Adventure on the Vitayu.
That's exciting. And for Design Idea, also another exciting adventure. We're taking you to the Bangkok Art and Culture Center to take a look at the Good to Walk exhibit.
So in the first part, we're taking you to see Asian update.
Welcome to Park Ventures, the Ecoplex on Vitayu. I think if you're talking about the words Ecoplex, I think it's the new defined definitions about the ecology and complex. What we mean the Ecoplex here is mean that we develop from the philosophy of balancing between the construction, innovative development, and the quality of the tenants who are living in this complex. I think we have to take back for another 3 years when we start of building this concept, because we believe that the concept, the core values of the building is the most important, rather than that we try to build the top quality or the highest building in Bangkok. But I think we have to develop what is the core values of the building that we want to be. It's actually we think from the end to beginning. We start off by doing the brand concept, which is we believe that the building will deliver more sustainable in the future. That's how we come up with the concept of the eco building, which is, we have to emphasize on the saving energy, developments of the demands of the tenants, and also that how we can create the innovative building technology. Park Ventures actually comprise of the Grade A quality office, about 27,000 square meters. And also on the top of the building, we also have 240 rooms of the Okura Prestige Hotel. And we also do a lot of investment in terms of the building to be the green building. When we start off the designs, we actually brief all the architect and also the designer to keep in mind what is this building core value, which is the green building concept. So when we start from the design, a lot of features, we also invest and also we develop the building that is more long-term sustainable. Because we believe the green building is not only the fashion anymore, it's become the standard. It's become the concept that I think for the top quality Grade A office building, commercial building, that will be the benchmark around the world. From the start, to emphasize on this Ecoplex philosophy in order to make the building to become the first eco-complex in Bangkok. A lot of features, for example, is the low E glass for the curtain wall. We also do the recycled water. We also invest on the intelligent lift. Yes, the first features about the eco buildings that I would like to take us to see is that the intelligent lift. The lift that we selected here, what is called the destination control lift, which is the core concept is that to save the energy. Normally, for the typical lift, when you go to the lift lobby, and then whether you're gonna go at the same floor, sometimes it's all your convenient, you go separate lift, okay? But for this special feature, when you touch at the cards, it will tell you exactly which number of the lift you should go. So the concept is that they combine the people who will go travel at the same floor to the same lift so that everybody can go at the same time. In this case, it's reduce the energy of to moving the lift because everybody pack together at the same time, so it saves the energy. Next stop, I think we go to see the office floor. This floor is a typical floor for the office building, and this one is a show unit that we demonstrate that how the tenants can decorate their office. For the office design, I think this is one of the unique design that we have. What we design, what we call is column-free design. So we make all the columns go to at the corner of the building and put all the call lift and also service lift in the middle. By doing so, you can have a very free space, which is when it's very efficient when you design the interior. And also this allows the natural light to come inside as much as possible. So this feature also help in terms of reducing the energy that you use in terms of lighting, and also it's increase the efficiency when you design the space for the office. Another thing that we invest a lot is that the curtain wall, which is the glass that we use, is called low E glass. The specials about the glass is that it's the 3 layers of glass. This is particular design to prevent the heat from outside to go inside, so that in overall we can keep the coolness of the building. When you have the aircon, so it's prevent the coolness from inside go outside, and also prevent the heat from outside to inside. By doing so, it helps in terms of using the electrical to produce the aircon. So it saves a lot of expense in terms of electricity. One example also, we use what we call the recycled water. So the water that we use in the toilet, we go down and then we treat it and make it clean again, and then it's recycled back to use in the toilet again, and also to water the garden. Another thing that we use is called what we call the VAV, or Variation Air Volume Control. This feature basically to sense the temperature from each area, so that to make temperature stay the same throughout the floor. We also doing what we call the natural light balance, which means that we install the sensor around the building, so that when the natural light come in, if in the morning, which is very strong sun, so the light inside is dim automatically. So in that sense, we also save the energy for the building also. Another features that we delegate for the tenants and also show our commitment in terms of the green building is on the 8th floor. We also have the big space, what we call is called Victor Garden. Basically, it's the garden that allow the tenants to use to relax and also to use the space for leisure activities. For this garden is actually sit on top of the car parks, so that people and also the tenants can go and enjoy the beautiful atmosphere in the garden. In terms of we manage the building, although we have so many features inside, and we also very high technology building, we have what we call the building automation system that can link all the system together. We also have the professional management company to run the building. I think in overall for Park Ventures, the Ecoplex is not just only the feature or the investment that we invest in terms of the saving energy equipments, but I think we put a lot of thought in terms of the designs, the concept, that how we can inspire the tenants or the people around the building to be aware of the eco-friendly, about the environment, about the saving energy concept.
Wow, good to know that we have the green building located in Bangkok, Thailand.
Most
So what
definitely.
about next, Rod?
Well, up next, we're going to take you to the Bangkok Art and Culture Center for a look at the Good to Walk exhibit. What does that mean? Let's go find out.